The Toyota Verossa is a midsize sedan that was produced by Toyota between 2001 and 2004. It was designed mainly for the Japanese domestic market (JDM) and replaced the Toyota Chaser and Toyota Cresta. The Verossa is known for its unique front grille and stylish body design, making it different from many other Toyota sedans of its time. The Toyota Verossa was available with several engine options, including a 2.0-liter and a 2.5-liter inline-six engine. One of the most popular versions is the 2.5 GT, which features a turbocharged 1JZ GTE engine. This powerful engine delivers excellent performance and is highly respected by car enthusiasts for its reliability and tuning potential. Inside, the Verossa offers a comfortable and spacious cabin with high-quality materials. It comes with features such as automatic climate control, power windows, power steering, airbags, and an advanced audio system for its time. The interior is designed to provide both comfort and convenience for daily driving. The Toyota Verossa is also appreciated for its rear-wheel drive (RWD) platform, which provides balanced handling and an enjoyable driving experience. Some models were equipped with an automatic transmission, while others offered a manual gearbox, making the car attractive to both regular drivers and performance enthusiasts. Today, the Toyota Verossa is considered a rare and desirable JDM classic. Its combination of reliability, powerful engine options, comfortable interior, and sporty driving characteristics has earned it a loyal fan base around the world. Many owners continue to modify and preserve the Verossa, ensuring its popularity among Japanese car enthusiasts.